Dito hindi pa nila nakukuha na sumabit. Ayan, AWM ang laman ng ating airdrop. Binibait na lang sila. Ay, hindi pala to. Hindi to flare ha. Normal na airdrop to habang Santori was able to make it to their vicinity. Ayan, mukhang magkakaroon na ng bakbakan ng Santorio at Amazon Royals dito. Ayan no. Ayan no. Let's check on them. Bakit tatlo yung player ng Santorio dito? Ayun, si Sonic ng Santorio was eliminated from the game. At ayun, binabaril na pala. Binabaril na si Onins. Ayan, sino makaharap niya? Si Dax ng Amazon Royals. Ayun, spotted na. So ayan, tamang chill na lang ating mga tropa dito. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin nila. Girl, ang ginagawa mo dyan? Ghost! Tsaka sino ba itong kasama ni Ghost? Si Sharp. Ayan, si Sharp. Nako, tatlo ng Santori. Pinapalibutan sila ng Amazon Royals dito. Tingnan natin si Fiji. Fiji, what are you doing? Ayan, shoutout sa aking boss na si May Nicolay nanonood ngayon. Pabigyan ng tuson, sir. Loot ng tuson. Oh, wait lang, sir. Titingnan natin muna yung clutch natin dito bago natin ibigyan yung tuson. Ayun, grabe naman yung bakbakan. Talagang nagtataguan sila dito. One down from Amazon Royals. One down from Santorio. Backing up dito. Grave was able to knock down a player again of Amazon Royals pero bagsak na siya. Onins na lang ang natitira sa ating Santorio and he was able to knock out two of these players from Amazon Royals. So grabe naman. One-on-one na lang magiging laban dito pag nagkataon. Ayan o. Shoutout sa all players, sabi ni Army Knight Petil. And that's it. Pushing na si Onins dito. Dax reviving. Nako, nagharap. Nako, nag-reload. Muntik na. And that's it. Santorio was able to make it 3 versus 4. Ayan, meron silang isang casualty dito. Onin was able to eliminate these players. Yan, giving him 3 kills for this match. Grabe naman yung ating Santorio. Ang ganda rin ang pinakitang clutch ng Amazon Royals doon. Pero yun talagang matindi ang ginawa ng Santorio and they pushed and they were able to make it. Yan, sports lang. Tingnan natin ang ating tuson as requested by ating tropa.